by. The only thing I don't want them to do is peck it, scratch up my garden. Other than that, it doesn't matter to me particularly what they do. Some hilarious things have happened, with people running away from them. And once we let somebody sit in our car for a while,